Lightning Severe Weather Alert.
Good evening, everybody. We are looking at live Doppler radar here. There are no storms over our area yet, but there are a couple of very small clusters of some showers and thunderstorms between Milwaukee and Sheboygan. Those have had the capability of producing anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to about an inch size hail, along with some frequent lightning and some heavy rain. We expect that to fill in on the other side of the lake and then come racing across Lake Michigan. I would expect all of this to fill in here over the next few hours. And as it plows into our area, remember, we've seen a fair amount of sunshine across the area, especially from Grand Rapids southward. That adds heat and energy to the atmosphere, and these things feed off that. And again, I mentioned this in the last forecast here. I'll mention this again. We have a cold Lake Michigan. A lot of times that will knock these showers and thunderstorms down. I know some of you weather geeks are saying, the lake always kills that. You're right, if it's formed at the surface. Those are surface-based thunderstorms. These, we believe, are not. We believe these have formed above the surface. There's a term for that. We call those elevated thunderstorms or elevated convection. And if it comes racing across Lake Michigan, it's not impacted by the surface temperatures of Lake Michigan. Bottom line of where I'm going is once these form, we believe they'll come racing across the lake. The lake will have little to no impact, and they may very well stay together as they feed off the heat and that energy that's in the atmosphere for us. So we have a concern of strong to possibly severe thunderstorms as we go through the evening hours. Between about 6 o'clock and maybe 10 or 11 o'clock, that will be the time frame there. It's not going to storm all night. 61 right now in Big Rapids, 67 in Fremont. Look at this. I believe that's our first 70 so far this season. In Grand Rapids, 72 in Granville, even warmer down to the south, 73 Battle Creek, Kalamazoo, 72 in Lawton, and we're 74 right now in Three Rivers. So there's sunshine, there's a lot of heat, there's a lot of energy. That's what these storms want to feed off. It's what we call convective available potential energy. It's called CAPE. That's energy that these storms can literally feed off. So that's what they want. Here's our severe weather outlook. So let's quantify this for you folks. All the way up almost to Grand Rapids in this area of orange. That's an enhanced severe weather threat. That's the middle category. So that's higher than it was yesterday. From Metro Grand Rapids across Grand Haven over to Ionia and then all the way up to our northern counties. That's a slight risk. So that's one category down. The best threat of severe weather will be from Grand Rapids off to the south and east. And there is a small tornado threat. The best threat for tornadoes today will be in this Hatchton area along and south of the I-94 corridor and just north across southeastern Allegan County, southern Berry County, and southern Eaton counties down to the south. The biggest threat is going to be large hail. So as we quantify this, we may see hail anywhere from 1.5 inches to golf ball size, that's 1.75 inches, to 2-inch size hail. With a low freezing line, we can get hail out of these storms. Wind gusts up to 60 to 70 miles per hour are possible, and then isolated tornadoes, EF0, EF1 in those areas that we just talked about. Certainly all of that on the table, all of that in play over the next few hours here. 47 degrees, evening storms. Some of those could be strong to severe. Otherwise, overnight, we're talking partly to mostly cloudy skies, some areas of fog, and again, we'll drop down about 47. Here's how it plays out on Future Track HD, 9 p.m. We got some scattered showers and thunderstorms around the area. Those quickly blow through here, and by tomorrow, I think we're already clearing out. I think we see some sunshine tomorrow morning, but the clouds thicken back up later in the afternoon, and then a cold front is going to roll on in here again. And we'll have the chance of some rain showers by late afternoon and into the evening hours. There certainly is colder air behind that. That comes in here for Thursday. Thursday is going to be a raw, cold, blustery, windy day with highs only in the low to mid 40s. We might even see a passing rain shower by the time we get into Thursday. And unfortunately, that's the start of a much longer period of some temperatures that will be below normal. And you'll see that in the 7-day forecast. One more warm day tomorrow, 63 degrees, morning sunshine, afternoon clouds, PM and nighttime showers are likely. Windy, raw, blustery, only 43 on Thursday, maybe a passing shower. 42 on Friday with breezy conditions. We're upper 40s, maybe a PM shower on Saturday. 52 on Sunday, a chance of showers. But by next week, Tuesday, we may be only around 40 degrees with the chance of some light rain or some snow showers. And I'm continuing to monitor the Storm Prediction Center because they talked about maybe issuing a severe thunderstorm watch between now and 6 o'clock. So we'll let you know if that happens, guys.